Hello there, it's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the severe weather outlook for June 2nd. So what's happening at this very moment? We have what is going to be, or predicted to be, future Tropical Storm Boris in the Eastern Pacific. And in the United States today, relaxed as compared to tomorrow. And we'll be taking a look at that shortly. But first, cyclones. So this is the area that has been, its probability has been increasing and whatnot. This is now officially Tropical Depression 2E, second depression, or the second tropical depression of this season. They are predicting that this thing will be apparently approximately 19 hours from now a tropical storm. It will be Tropical Storm Boris. There is here's a satellite view first, satellite loop of this storm, and there is a tropical storm watch in effect for this green area. Let me zoom out a little bit further to get some context. So that is where the tropical storm watch is in effect at the moment. Per the SMN, they are expecting the possibility of intense to extraordinary amounts of rain with this system, as well as electrical storms and whatnot. Thunderstorms, that's what it would be called in the United States. Right, here is another visualization. Here's a couple of the models that show you kind of what can be happening over here with Boris. And what's kind of interesting about the GFS does tend to overpredict, but if you watch this, towards the end of this forecast period, they're showing what might be a new tropical storm. But of course, that is far enough out, that whether that actually happens or not, you know, not so certain. Here's a graphic showing the probabilities. This is actually for the invest. They don't have the probabilities yet on the official now numbered storm, number 2. But so this thing predicted to become what's actually part of the official NHC path that this thing is going to become a tropical storm. So, and there's all of the intensity predictions. So nobody today predicting hurricane status, even though I think it might have been the red one, not sure. One of them was previously predicting hurricane status. That's probably pretty unlikely. Rains are going to be the huge threat with this thing. So in the United States today, pretty tapered off. But tomorrow, and we'll talk about that in a little bit more detail, and then the day after that, at this very moment, 2 different, what we got, special marine warnings, 1 severe thunderstorm warning. If you haven't seen the site before, you can add pop-up markers, drag them around and stuff, and then it will tell you, it'll indicate whether it's in a warning, and it will track it live and stuff of the sort. So let's take a look at the maps. So this is today's tornado map, just a 2% chance today. Here's today's wind map, that'd be winds 58 miles per hour and greater. Here's today's hail map, that'd be hail 1 inch or larger. And here is tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you go on to read the actual text of the outlook, so the black hatched area could indicate any or all of the following things. Instead of just 58 mile per hour and greater winds, it could be 75 mile per hour and greater winds. Instead of hail 1 inch or larger, hail 2 inches and larger. Instead of a tornado of any size, tornadoes EF2 and greater on a scale that goes from EF0 to EF5. So if you read the text of the outlook, what the black hatched area appears to indicate is the possibility for the strong tornadoes, so the EF2 and greater tornadoes, and the very large hail. And 45% chance, so that's pretty high. In fact, I wouldn't be terribly surprised if they upgraded that to 60% and put some of these areas in a high risk tomorrow. So yes, that is a big day. So if you're in any of the, definitely if you're in the black hatched area, you should be paying attention tomorrow and staying up on things, because it's potentially going to be a very big day. So yes, here's some websites you can go to for more information on cyclones and severe weather and stuff of the sort. And that is it for today, and have fun.